Hey, what's up, guys? It's Banu here from androdollar.com. This right here is Apple's latest Apple Watch Series 5 Nike edition. So, this is not the regular Apple Watch Series 5, instead, it is the special Nike edition that I have over here, which has a little bit of extra features and, of course, the Nike branding. So, in this video, let's go ahead and break open the box of the new Apple Watch and see if it's worth it. If you're new to my channel, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. If you haven't watched my iPhone 11 Pro coverage, definitely check them out as well. I'll have a link down below. And let's get started with today's video. So let's directly get into this unboxing. So the box here says Apple Watch and it has the Nike logo at the front as well. The text is in white and the box is black and it has a stealthy look to it. All of this is packed very nicely and it's all covered by a polythene wrapping. At the back it mentions that this is indeed the Series 5 and here I have the space grey aluminium casing with the black Nike sports band. And of course this is the 44mm option, but there is also another option that is 40mm. So if you have slightly smaller hands or if you're a lady, then you might actually enjoy the 40mm. So definitely go ahead and check out the size guide and see which one will suit you. At the back of the box it also mentions what is included inside the box, so you can check out all of that there, and it also mentions the serial numbers and all of that other information. Other than that though, this box is pretty simple. You don't have any fancy Apple brandings or any text written around the box. Just at the front of the box, right on top, it has Apple Watch and the Nike logo right in the middle. So now without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and break open this sealed box and see what's so special about the Nike Apple Watch Series 5. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel off this plastic wrapping first off, and after that I'm gonna turn this box around because you have to open this box from behind. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up, and I will tell you now itself, the Apple Watch unboxing is pretty special, not like a smartphone unboxing. You will see why in a bit. So opening this first box will reveal another box, and in the exterior box it has some colorful Apple bands. Lifting open the second box, we have two main things here. First, let's have a look at the leaflet. So it says designed for athletes, specially by Apple and Nike, and inside that you will find all the instruction manuals and all of that other information. Next, inside the box you will find a European style charger. This still has a USB-A port at one end, not like the iPhone 11 Pro charger which has a USB Type-C port. Next we find the proprietary charging dock along with the USB cable. It's already attached to that dock, so all you have to do is go ahead and plug it into the main charger and place your Apple Watch on it and it will start charging. And then we come to the main event. This is what we all want to see. This is the all new Apple Watch Series 5. So it's actually placed inside this microfiber cover. So I'm gonna push out the Apple Watch out of that packaging, and here we have the great looking space grey Apple Watch Series 5 Nike edition. So I will show you this a little bit more in a bit, but for now let me show you the watch strap that is included in the box for the Apple Watch Series 5 Nike edition. So here I have the black color sports band by Nike and Apple. So it's also inside this box, and I have to again go ahead and break open the seal to get into this box. So I'm gonna quickly do that and open up this box, and guess what, even the watch band has instructions. That's right, so opening up this pouch will reveal not one but two sets of watch bands. So there are two sizes here. There's a small and medium, and there's a large option which you can pick based on your preference. So you can go ahead and select whatever suits your hand and then go ahead and easily insert it to the Apple Watch Series 5. It will only take you a few seconds, and once that is done, you can go ahead and press on the power button to turn on the Apple Watch Series 5. wearing it up for the very first time, it feels really comfortable, so I have to actually go ahead and sync up my iPhone to the Apple Watch to get started. The pairing process is actually very simple. All you have to do is from your iPhone open up the Apple Watch app, and then you need to put your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera of the iPhone, so a little bubble like thing will come. So you just have to place your phone on top of that, and your Apple Watch will quickly get paired to your iPhone. After that, you have to set a few preferences, like mainly which hand you're gonna wear it, and after that your phone will quickly get connected to your Apple Watch. Once that is done, you have to go ahead and set up a passcode to your Apple Watch if you like, and then you can set up your activity level. And since this is the special Nike edition, we also get access to the Nike Running Club application, so you can go ahead and install that onto your iPhone and have access to that. In the final step, you also get the option to install all the available applications that are on the iPhone onto the Apple Watch, so you can do that and the Apple Watch will automatically start syncing all of that. While the syncing process is going on in the Apple Watch, it will show you instructions for the very basic stuff like the display settings as well as the digital crown and the side button. So if this is your first Apple Watch, then going through this tutorial will really help you out. Based on the number of apps that you have on your phone, this might actually take some time, so give it some time, and once it's done, your Apple Watch will be ready for use. Once the syncing process is completed, on your iPhone it will say welcome to Apple Watch, and on your Apple Watch it will say Apple Watch is ready. So you can get started right now. So from the Apple Watch application you can do a lot of things. If you want a detailed guide on how to use your Apple Watch, let me know by dropping a comment down below and I might just make that happen for you. If you're interested in that, definitely smash that like button as well. So like I mentioned, this is the Apple Watch Series 5. So this time around, the main feature of this watch is the always on display. In my opinion, it's a really good thing to have, and Apple has given us the option to disable it if we don't want, which is something that I appreciate. I really appreciate when these companies give us control, because we pay for these products, so we should have control over all of these options, whether we want to use it or not. However, if you're gonna pick an Apple Watch Series 5 over the Series 4, then you might as well use the always on mode, because that's mainly the main improvement in the Apple Watch Series 5 when compared to the Series 4. So getting into my all new Apple Watch, under software updates, under general, it showed me that the latest watchOS 6.1 update is available. So I immediately put it to download and installed it onto my Apple Watch Series 5 Nike edition. This update is very important because battery life on the watchOS 6 update hasn't really been good for the Apple Watch Series 5, especially with that always on mode. So let's see how well watchOS 6.1 will fix that. I really hope Apple can do something about the battery life of this, especially when we are using the always on mode. I know a lot of people want to know the difference between the regular Apple Watch Series 5 and the Apple Watch Series 5 Nike edition. So it's like this. More or less the specifications are the same in both models, but what's different in the Nike edition is you get some extra special Nike watch faces as well as this special Nike edition watch strap. However, watch straps won't be a big deal because you can go ahead and pick up any of these watch straps from Apple or any of the third-party sites. I'll even have a link for some of the most affordable watch straps that you can pick up for your Apple Watch down below in the description. So if you want to pick up some watch straps, definitely check out that link and you will surely find some sweet deals for them. And you also get access to the Nike Run Club application, and that could be a sweet little bonus if you use your Apple Watch for a lot of fitness related activities. Or another reason to consider getting the Nike edition Apple Watch is simply because it's Nike. I know a lot of people who are huge fans of Nike, and I think the Nike edition Apple Watch is pretty sleek looking, especially with those special Nike watch bands. This one right here is my favorite, and you can customize all of this There's tons of customization that is available, and I might actually make a separate video on that because it's gonna be a lengthy video because you can do a ton of stuff with your Apple Watch. Well guys, this is the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 5 Nike Special Edition. So I just wanted to bring you guys this video and show you what's new and show you what comes inside the box of this smartwatch. I know the Nike edition is slightly more expensive than the regular Apple Watch Series 5, but if you're a Nike fan, I think this is the one you should go with. If you're a new owner of the Apple Watch Series 5, or if you are planning to pick up Apple Watch Series 5, definitely smash that subscribe button right now because I'm definitely gonna be coming up with more Apple Watch Series 5 videos here in my channel. Let me know what videos you guys want to see. I'm actually planning to make the full review as well as a feature guide dedicated for the Apple Watch. If there are any other video requests from you guys, definitely let me know so that I can make that happen for you guys. While you're at it, if you know someone who loves Apple Watches, definitely share this video with them. Or if you know someone using an iPhone who might find the Apple Watch interesting, definitely share this video with them and they might actually end up picking up a new Apple Watch. Well, with that, we come to the end of this video. This is the Apple Watch Series 5 Special Nike Edition. And let me know what you guys think about this down below in the comment section. And if you are not following me on social media, definitely do so, because in the time that I'm going to be testing this, I'm going to be posting a lot of behind the scenes and screenshots over on my social media accounts. And stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Smash that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and also hit on that notification bell icon right next to that subscribe button. And until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.